Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to start a scheduled group voice chat on Telegram's PC app with the latest update. If you want to connect with your group in a seamless, well-planned way, scheduling your voice chat is a perfect tool. Let's get into it. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Then, navigate to the group where you want to start the scheduled voice chat. Once inside the group, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see an option for scheduled video or voice chats. Click on it. This is where you can set up your event for the group. After clicking the scheduled chat option, you'll see a prompt with a few choices. Instead of scheduling for later, go ahead and click the Start Now button to begin immediately. Confirm the action if needed. Next, once the chat has started, you'll want to disable the video feature if you just want a voice-only chat. This disables the camera but keeps the voice running smoothly, creating a pure group voice chat experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully started a scheduled group voice chat on Telegram using your PC. It's an easy, efficient way to organize group conversations without having to rush or coordinate in real time. Perfect for meetings, discussions, or casual catch-ups. Thanks for watching.